In today's video I want to show you a very simple and classic setup of the fractal flow strategy that happened in the Euro 5-minute timeframe yesterday. This is a textbook perfect setup that happens quite frequently with the fractal flow strategy, and if you wish, you can develop your whole trading game just by paying attention to this kind of thing in the charts. Keep in mind that this setup works on any market and on any timeframe because it's grounded on human behavior and science. In this chart we can clearly see the market making a higher high between the numbers 1 and 3. This is classic way of identifying who is in control of the markets, and it's based on the solid assumption that buyers need to have more strength than sellers to produce higher highs and higher lows. That's a simple statement, although sometimes things can get trickier than that. There is also another interesting thing about the market vectors between 1 and 3. Right after number 2, observe that the market created a type of congestion where we have many lower candlestick tails poking down a certain area. This sort of thing can only be seen by the trained eye, but it represents the buy zone I marked in red. This is a buy zone because those unusual candle tails are telling us that sellers are attempting to go down in that particular level, but the buyers are simply not letting them. After a few pokes of that level after number 2, price finally starts to go up in the direction of high number 3. The fact that we have that congestion right after number 2 plus the fact that the market made a higher high in number 3 sends a pretty clear message about who is in control of the market, which in this case are the buyers without much doubt. In number 4 is where all of this previous context starts to become a solid high-quality trade setup. The candle previous to the candle 4 landed exactly at the buy zone and closed above the line, and right after that we have the iconic fractal candle signaling an entry in number 4. As I said in the beginning, this is almost as perfect and easy as it gets with this strategy. The position of this fractal candle also implies that we are going to have good trade location because it happened near the level of a solid market structure in number 2. That means we have an accurate place to open a trade and a logical place to put a stop-loss order. That also means that we can safely get our 1-to-3 risk-reward ratio. Let's see how the market responds. As you can see here, the buyers were indeed stronger, and the long position hit its target quite nicely. This is a good example of how market logic works in the market. As I said in the beginning of the video, this type of situation happens multiple times a day in the lower timeframes, and it happens in any market as well. If you enjoy the work I do in this channel, don't forget to support it by visiting the strategy store, clicking the like button, subscribing to the channel, and leaving your comment below. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in the next videos.